There's a fly ball, left center field. Joe Adell sends it out, and the Angels are back in front. Adell with a go-ahead home run here in the seventh, and it's 8-7 Halos.
109.1 off the bat for Joe Adell. 439 feet. Joe Adell says,
"Oh, we're just around 91." Oh my! Darno! He did it again! On the heels of his 3-home run night, Travis Darno with a 2-run shot to put Atlanta up 3. Swing and a fly ball! Oh my goodness gracious! That is a grand slam! Home run. Swing and a high drive! Way up there! Way back! Way gone! The Red Sox walk it off at Fenway! T.O. with an F. It's here. In the air, left center field. Slugging percentage. Into the bleachers. Wow. He crushed it. 459 feet, saying Suzuki with a smile. And he gives the make on deck. Benintendi! Get out! Let's go! The White Sox walk it off into 10. And for the first time all season, the Sox have won 2 in a row. Oh my goodness! Big Christmas has done it! High drive, deep left, stay fair. It is a fair ball. 2-run, home run, Chris Bryant. First of the year. Well hit. The legend grows. Upper deck. This ball hit well. Deep out to left. It is gone. Just off of Florida's glove. Simeon with a 2-run shot. Yes, he does. Somebody alert NASA. Third, and Berger drives it deep to left center. Give me that Berger to go. It's a walk-off win. And Bregman drives one. Ball game over. Up on the train track. Is starting a party tonight. What a game. And Bobby greets him with another blast into left center field. Gone! That is a career high tying 6 RBIs. And he's Ohtani smokes one, right center field. Ohtani is inevitable. He swings and drives one out towards right center. Taylor back, and it's gone. Mitchell, a 2-run homer. Lewis hammers to left field. This one deep, this one gone! His 9th 15 games.
And he smacks it to deep left. That's out of here. And the Mets win the ball game. Mark Vientos with his second two-run homer of the night. And the Mets win their 8th in a row.
But he has the ability
to hit it out. Walker back on the track at the wall. See ya! A two-run home run for Wells. And the Yankees lead 4-2.
Schwarber launches it. Gone. 1-0. 21st playoff home run. Cruz, and a drive to left center field, way back, clear the deck, cannonball coming, Joey Barrels gives the Bucks the lead, his ninth.
He picked on the deepest part of the ballpark, and he...
On an 0-2 pitch, a missile, Fernando Tatis Jr., electric.
High drive to left. Goodman back. Out of here.
A high fly ball. Out to left field. Blasted back. Insurance delivered by Ty France.
Is everything. Got to stay back and drive the ball that way.
Melendez to the warning track wall. Leaping try. Can't get it. That ball is going to be gone. An opposite field homer for Nootbaar. His timing is perfect.
There's a high shot deep to left. That baby's got a chance to go. Gone! Home run off the bat of Isan Paredes.
Peterson, fly ball to right field, and Jock has hit another one.
That's crushed to left field. So long! Just right of landing. Homer last night. Homer today. 12-0.
That ball is hammered. Deep right center. Heading for the Geico sign. See